Would you like to know how to stop snoring at night, naturally without the use of anti-snoring aids? Perhaps you have tried using those over-the-counter anti-snoring solutions such as nasal strips and nasal sprays. Perhaps you have even gone the extreme of trying out mouthguards and nasal dilators. If you want more advice on how to stop snoring, please subscribe my channel. More lookbook videos are coming very soon. If you seriously want to know how to stop snoring and avoid sleep apnea, then please click the link in the description below. Perhaps you have tried out all kinds of gadgets and handy solutions and tricks to suppress you snoring, like using special sleep positioning wedges to keep you from rolling onto your back while sleeping, since sleeping on your back is typically the one in which you are most apt to snore. Have you had much success with these? Unfortunately, these are not all one-size-fits-all types of solutions. Not all solutions are suitable for everybody, and not every method will actually work to suppress snoring for everybody in the same way. So if you are not having much success with the use of anti-snoring aids and anti-snoring tips and tricks, then what you might want to try next is to learn how to stop snoring at night naturally and permanently, without the use of anti-snoring aids. Instead, you will want to learn how to leverage the use of snoring exercises to cure your snoring problem permanently. Learning how to stop snoring at night using exercises has significant advantages over using anti-snoring aids. 1. There is no need to spend money on devices, sprays, and other tangible aids. You just need to invest your time in performing some exercises every day until you observe the symptoms of your snoring recede. 2. You can reap the health benefits and the emotional benefits of knowing that you no longer suffer from this problem. You are free of the humiliation, the embarrassment, and the household tension that comes along with a snoring problem. Is your snoring killing your family with a slow and sonorous death? Well then, why haven't you tried these natural remedies to stop snoring? Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. I love you as I love myself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.